Hello everybody, this is Brace Ways. I'm back with something that I was working on earlier, and I hope that you will like it. I hope that it will inspire you to do something similar with what you have. And if you're looking for something whimsical or something fun or a little crazy or, just something different to put on your decorated trees, and you want to have some faux goodies on there that you haven't done before, or if you have already done cake pops, or you have the little round styrofoams hanging around, your drawers, or taking up space somewhere, here's something that you can do. Now, what I did with these is that I had a few of these styrofoam balls around, and I didn't know what to do with them. And I had already done my share of cake pops, but I thought, well, why not? I wanted to have something more yellow. I wanted to have some more yellow in my dining room. So I figured, well, why not do something simple and just keep them as cake pops? But instead of just your ordinary cake pops, you can turn them. I'm sorry, this camera of mine keeps slipping on its holder. Instead of just having your regular cake pops, why not turn them, excuse me, into ornaments? So that's what I did. I actually have little hooks on top of each one of these little cake pops that what I did is that I had them painted burnt umber to look like they were chocolate bonbons or chocolate cake pops. And then I drizzled them with the bright yellow and the canary yellow paints. And then I sanded them. I put white sand. Oh, excuse me. There I go. I'm having an accident here. And what I did is that I took white sand and I sprinkled it over each one of the bonbons to coat the paint. And I wanted to give it a sugary effect, so I let them dry overnight, and then in the morning, this is what I got. So I just stuck them into this little planter that I had so they would stand upright, because they were still slightly wet from the bottom, but now they're dry. And the difference between these and the others is that these are ornaments, but not just ornaments. I actually put the little sticks on the bottom in different directions, so that when I hang them up, the stick will be hanging out in different directions. Each one, I have like 3 or 4 different poses here. So you can just imagine that whenever you hang, like let's say this one with the little hook here, the stick is pointing outward instead of straight down. I do have like 2 of them that do go straight down, but the rest of them go in different directions. So I thought that that would be a cute idea. Something fun, something different, and something that will work. And you can pose them however you want, or just leave them as they are and not bother with the little hooks or anything like that. But I thought that that would be a cute idea. I'm just one of those people that likes to do different things. I don't like to follow other people's ideas much, and you can always take it a step further. And so I hope that you like this idea. I think it's really, really bright and cheerful. And with the bee theme that I have going on in my dining room and everything, and not to mention the lemon theme, I figured these would be pretty good to add to that. So thank you for your time, and I hope that you will like and subscribe, share, comment, and hit that little button. And please spread the word that I'm doing this, because I just started a few days ago. So again, This is Bray's Ways. Have fun creating. Have fun coming up with original ideas. I mean, it's always fun to take it further than what you see, or, and to take your ideas and just run away with them. So thank you so much for your time, guys. I really appreciate it. Until next time. Bye-bye.